Hello and welcome. Welcome to my video. In this video, I'll be talking about just. Just is most commonly used as an adverb in English. Just, it means a short time ago, before or recently happened something. It is used with present perfect and past perfect. Interestingly, just has position in a sentence between auxiliary verb like have, has, had, and past participle of a verb. It is worth mentioning that just influences the present moment of speaking. It uses like only. For example, he just finished his work. It's just a mere dream. He just left the place. Just is also embedded with informal phrases. For example, just a minute, just about. Just means recently something happened. For example, Jerry just arrived. Just uses to mean something exactly happened. For example, we have just enough information to visit the place. Just like a woman, you did this work. Just means only. It uses instead of only. For example, just a minute, just a minute, just one more. He's just kidding me. Just means absolutely or simply to emphasize something. For example, telling lie is not just fair. You're just pretty handsome. Just for fun. Just for me. It's just for me. It's just for you. Just means polite expression. For example, let me just try. They're just wondering to say this. He just wanted to let me know. Interestingly, just has so many fixed expressions. For example, just in case, just my luck, just another day, just imagine, just think, just round the corner, just for the record, just as well, just on the bit. I think you are very clear about the uses of just. If you just have any question or confusion, give a comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye.